What if instead of one AI agent doing everything, you had a whole team? Free tier agents handling the grunt work, and premium agents stepping in only when things get hard? That's exactly what I shipped today. 6 agents. 1 Discord server. 1 architecture I've been wanting to test for months. And on day 2 of running a live trading bot alongside it. The numbers are already coming in. Let's break down exactly how this works and what I learned the hard way. Here's a mistake I see builders make constantly. They wire up one powerful, expensive AI agent and throw every single task at it. Simple tasks, complex tasks, research, writing, decisions, all hitting the same premium model. That's like hiring a senior engineer to answer your support emails. The cost bleeds you dry. And when that one agent fails, everything stops. I needed a smarter architecture. One where cheap agents handle routine work, and expensive agents only activate when genuinely needed. Turns out, building that is harder than it sounds. The solution I landed on is what I'm calling the hybrid escalation model. You've got your free tier agents. I named mine the Ultron Squad, handling all the day-to-day, drafting, scouting information, running operations. They're fast, cheap, and surprisingly capable for structured tasks. Then you have your paid tier agents, the Vision Squad, sitting on standby. When an Ultron agent hits a task that's too complex, too ambiguous, or too high stakes, it escalates automatically up to Vision. The key insight here is that most tasks don't need your best model. Only a few actually do. The part that took the most time wasn't the agents themselves. It was making sure each agent remembers who it is across sessions. I built 3 core files for every single agent. Soul.md defines the agent's personality, values, and decision-making style. Memory.md is a persistent log of what the agent has learned and experienced. And Operations.md is the playbook. Exactly how it handles its specific role. Without these, agents are stateless and dumb. With them, each agent builds up context over time and actually improves. This is the infrastructure most tutorials completely skip over. So where do things stand? The multi-agent Discord infrastructure is live. All 6 agents are configured and talking to each other. The escalation handoff between free and paid tier is working smoother than I expected. My trading bot hit day 2 and logged over $230. Small, but it's real and it's running autonomously. The biggest lesson: validate your architecture with free tier agents before you spend a single dollar on paid API credits. I waited too long for the paid tier API tokens to arrive. And that wait would have stalled everything if I hadn't already proven the system worked with free agents first. Next up, I want to push this architecture further. I'm thinking about adding vertical specialist agents. One tuned for finance, maybe one for legal research, one for health data. I also want to build a simple dashboard to track cost and performance per agent in real time, so I know exactly which agents are earning their keep and which ones need retraining. If you're building your own agent systems, drop your questions in the comments. I read everything. Subscribe if you want to follow this build in public, and I'll see you in the next one. One man, one claw. Let's build.